Hello everyone, my name is Masiullah Kimzada. Today I'm going to install Snort. Snort is a network intrusion detection system. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna download Snort installer. We download rules and we when pcap is when pcap or if you have Wireshark, they are pocket capture utility, and a Snort needs this utility to be able to pull the traffic off the network. So this must be installed before the Snort. Okay, we get started. We go to the website Snort, www.snort.org. Get started, Windows, and we download the installer in here. I've already downloaded to save time, and then we go to rules. And rules, we have three types: community, register, and subscription. Community are the rules that have been uploaded by the users rules, so they have been applied by different people, so that's what they call community. Register is you have to be registered for this to get rules, and subscription you have to pay some money. It's so if you're subscribed, you will have all the rules straight away, the new rules, the new patch. But with register, you need to wait a couple of times before having any rule. So we downloaded 2.89 and we click here, start downloading. I've already downloaded this as well to just save time. So close this one, and then we go here. We got port files, start, typical installation, yes, 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 yes. Close and say also require WinPCAP, as I told you before. WinPCAP is a must-have software, so that Snort can pull off the Snort can able to pull on the traffic off the network. And then okay, we're gonna check it. See, Snort, yep, we got all the files in here. Bin with all the executable files will be there, and all the documents. etc is where our important folder, because we put all the configuration, and the library where we put all the all the reference will be stored in here. Okay, now we go back to the rules that we downloaded. So it's a zip file. You can unzip it with any software you like. I'm using 7-zip. Open, etc, open. We need all this file to be extract to the etc Snort install Snort folder. Yep, okay, it's override. Yep, and then we go back. Pre-prog rules is the same thing. Copy. Okay, open, and then C Snort and pre-prog rules. Yep, yes to all, and then shared object rules, we don't need this one, so we're not using shared object rules. Select all rules, we don't need the VT license, and exactly the same thing. Copy, and then C Snort, and then rules. Okay, we got all the rules done. Now it's time to configure. Close this one, and then go to C Snort, and then etc and configuration files. So you can open it with any editor, but I use Node++ because it's got the line number on it. Start from the bottom. Yep, there's a couple of steps that we have to go through and do some very minor changes, not much. Step number one, where we put our home IPv home network. So obviously our home network, we use our own IP address. So now I put /16, so use all the addresses. Yep. Now external, we don't have any external, so we just put we said save overlook, so we put exclamation mark $sign home network, so it excludes home network. It's not going to look at. Now we go next is I go down. Now we have to define all the path where the rules are. It's pretty much this one. Now all the front slash need to be for the lines that you enabling. You need to go all the front slash need to go back to backslash, so it works actually. Front slash works on Linux, Unix, but on Windows you need to be backslash. It's not that they are not going to work. They will work, but still, it looks much better if you do on Windows. So yeah, we say the rules are in here. We don't need share object rules. We haven't got, so we're not worried about that. Yep. See, it's not prepare rules. Yep. Now, for a repetition processor, you need to a repetition processor is, if you want to block some IP addresses, you put it in a block list. Where if you want to have some IP addresses to come through, you put it on a whitelist. So you better give the path now, and then you will create it later in the next step. It has to go. Yep. Okay, now it's done. We go step 2. Step 2, we don't do much. Just we give the excuse me. Go back in here and then come back to log. Okay. Enable this. And then excuse me. We need to give the log directory, so it's Snort /log. Yeah. We go down. Step 3, we don't. In step 3, we go down. Now, all the preprocessors, we need to okay, the dynamic processes, we need to change the we need to first turn it on. Yep, enable it, and then we give the see Snort, and then / library. / this one too. Okay, exactly the same thing applies for the dynamic engine as well. Now we don't need dynamic detection directory, so we're not using this. We're gonna disable it. Okay, step 5, configuring the preprocessors. These are inline preprocessors are used in Unix, so we don't need it. They're not going to run on Windows, so we don't need it. We need to turn them off, all of them. Yep, all done. We go down. We move to the next. We need to turn on the pot skin as well. Yep, pot skin is on. Now the go down. Yep. So all the repetition processor, remember we get the path for the whitelist and blacklist. Now we need to create them. So we need to create, the first thing is this one. Yep. And then go here, it's white.list. Exactly, you need to create those files exactly under this name. Okay, these are the two files that we need to create over there. We go here, create a new one, and then we go, okay, it's fine, white whitelisted, put all whitelisted IP address is here. So you need to write whitelist is fine. Yep. Save this as white.list. Whitelisted. Whitelisted. We need to see white. Okay, sorry, in here. Whitelisted. Sorry, spelling mistake. Save. White.list. Yep. I'm going to use exactly the same file as blacklisted. Blacklisted. I'm going to save as this as exactly the same as over there. Black.list. Yep. So we go back in here. Close this. Go back in here. Yep. Created both of them. Now we go down. Step 6, we don't do much. Step 4, all the rules. So all the rules that's not gonna run and check on is these ones. So we need to, the front slash, you need to change the slash to the backslash. So all the front slashes go backslash. So you can leave some of them off if you don't want, if you don't really want to use it, or you don't need it. Right, okay. Step C, some decoders, you need to turn on those decoders as well. We need to enable them as well. Yep. Now all done. Save. Close. All done. Now, okay, now we need to run it. We go command prompt, run it as administrator. Yes. Put it a bit up. So we go back, cd snort. Need to check the version of Snort. You just saw it, snort dash big V. Oh, sorry, I need to go into the bin. There's all the executable files in the bin. Now you need to write snort dash V. Says the version. Now you need to check how many interfaces is on this network. You write snort big W. And in my computer, in my network site, is 5 interfaces. Now we need to test on one of them. So I'm gonna test snort on one of them. So I like, alright, snort dash I number 5 dash C for configuration, C backslash snort backslash etc backslash snort.conf space hash T for testing. Now we're gonna test it, and it should come as successful. Okay, it's the rare error shows that the whitelist was not couldn't retrieve the whitelist. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go back there, and then go to C, and then snort, and then rules. Okay, we go to the white. have saved, we haven't saved the black. Oh, we have saved the white and black in the wrong place, so we're gonna do is go, saved it, we haven't saved it in the proper place, so we're gonna open Node++ and make them again. Yep, white hash whitelisted files, put IP addresses here. Okay, we're gonna save it. We saved it on the wrong folder before. We need to save it in the rules. Yep, I'm gonna use exactly the same file. So you're gonna save as rules black list. Yep, save, all done. Gonna run it again. It should be successful this time. As you see, all the 1 and 4 bytes. Yep, it's not successfully validated and installed. So now it's not is ready. You can apply more rules if you want, and it's been validated. The configuration is validated and it's now working properly. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.